Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video where we are going to teach you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. Are you guys excited for the same? Let's get started. Here you have to get the sheet and then get the cutouts as in this form. Get them beautifully secured and your fishes are gonna be ready. Get another sheet of paper and then get the cutouts in this form and you will be getting a beautiful lovely heart-shaped patterns, and over it you need to put the eyes and then the antennas and a little blush with the wings aside. These are gonna look super adorable. Again you need to get some impressions and imprints like this, then color it further. You will be getting a beautiful and then keep a lollipop inside and attach them. Cool, right? So you have to get the sheet, get them beautifully arranged into the form of a cylinder, and then you need to keep it one over the other, get a caterpillar made, and this is amazing. Put it over a leaf and you can always play with it. Proceeding like this, get a sponge and then these impressions, you have to secure it in this way and get them beautifully tied up. Isn't it looking damn pretty? Now here, using a plastic cup, you need to just get it all over the other and you can play with it a little bouncy, Now here you have to get the balloon and then keep inside these and you can always play with it. Cool, right? Now here you have to get these sheets, arrange them and form a beautiful, adorable bunny rabbit, and this is gonna look pretty enough. Now inside you need to put a marble and then inflate it a bit, and then you will be getting a beautiful lovely toy to play with, and here you need to decorate it further to get it even more amusing. Now here you need to get the candies enough and then secure it beautifully, get the straw in between and then get a clay inside the cup and put it inside. Isn't it cool enough? Now here get a sheet, further you need to get the cuts and then get a beautiful lovely flag made, get another sheet and then put it inside in this manner, get the stick and then the leaves made, and these are gonna look pretty cool. Now let's have a look. You have to get the ice cream sticks, get them one over the other and then you need to roll them further, attach them together in this form and get a fan made. Isn't it cool? Now here you have to get the circles cut in this manner. You have to join them one over the other and get these insects made. Adorable enough, isn't it? Now here you have to get the triangular patterns made into the form of a little dumplings like this, and you need to put it around over a clay and then get the bottle, and this is gonna look pretty cool. I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our different and unique crafts like these, and we will be waiting for our next videos. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.